What's up guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make this beanie, so let's get started. For this beanie I cut out a piece of fabric, and here I have the width of the fabric, which is the stretchy part of the fabric. On the stretchy side, you take your head circumference minus 1 inch. So mine is 20 inches. My head circumference is 21 inches. Minus 1 inch, I have 20 inches. And then for the length of the beanie, I have 24 inches. So I have 24 inches for the length of the beanie. I'll fold the length of my fabric, right sides facing each other. I'll fold it into two. And then go ahead and sew from here down to this place. So when you're sewing this side together, you leave 2 inches opening on this side. And then you take this edge, you match it up to this edge. And then you take the other edge, and then you match it up to this place. Again, you take this edge, and you place it on this part. And then you take this other edge, and you place it on this part. So after placing them together like this, you take the first layer and then you pin it to the last layer with the right sides facing each other. You pin it. You start sewing from here. So as you're sewing it round like this. You're going round like this, and then you take the other part, you sew the entire beanie round. So I have sewed the entire opening of the beanie. So the next step is to look for the 2 inches opening and then flip it inside out like this. So the last step is to close the 2 inches opening. So you just go ahead and stitch it with your sewing machine. So you make a stitch on this part. So after closing the 2 inches opening, your beanie is ready. So here's the beanie. Please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. I love you for watching. Thank you.